Hello, Paul Case here. We're going to see if we can get to the end of this fuel filter issue with the skid steer. So it's a little crooked there. Right there you can see the old fuel filter sitting on it. And we're going to see if we can change that and then bleed it. It's going to be kind of a, it doesn't really have a bleeder down here. And here's where I want to bleed it at. So we're gonna do a little redneck bleeding, I think. Maybe there'll be a redneck out there that knows what I mean when I say that. Get this old filter back together. I thought maybe that filter had top and bottom, but it doesn't. It's just a spin on. And here's one. I was at parts store, the parts supply store for the service that where I bought this skid loader at, the dealer, and they didn't have one of these filters. As a matter of fact, any parts that I wanted from them for this or that project, I've had to order, which kind of begs the question. I can get on the internet and order this stuff and have it delivered to my house, and a lot of the time cheaper than what I can get it from them guys. So I don't know if it's worth doing or not when they have to order everything I need. I wonder what that's all about. Them two dogs of mine, they can hear a siren like 2 or 3 miles away, and it'll send them off into a bark and howl like that. Me, I can't even hear them till they get on our side of the creek. Okay, I got that on. I got to get the line. This line goes to the pump, fuel pump, so I'm going to take that one loose. I think I'll get the air hose and blow that off first to get on with any dirt in it. I can do this without knocking the camera over. It'll be real handy too. got to deliver some hay, a bale of hay to a friend of mine to go pick up some parts for that Massey combine. And the hay delivery south of Quapaw, and just one bale. And then the parts is at O'Reilly, all the parts in Baxter. So I'm supposed to be at hay delivery at 10 o'clock. So I'm trying to watch the time, get the chores done, and it's 9:25. The only deal is I've got a pallet of feed, pallet of oats on the back of my truck I gotta get off, and I'd really like to use this to do it with. So, moment of truth, and the countdown. This has a grid heater or something like that, a block heater or some type. So. Leaks. So we're gonna go give it a try out and see how it works. If it works out great. If it don't, well, I'll be back here again doing this same thing over again, because farming and mechanicing's kind of like going to school. You don't get it right the first time, you get to do it over and over and over again until you get it right. And hopefully I've got it right this time. So we're gonna give it a try now. I may even cut and bust some wood later if it works out good. Thanks for watching. Now you know what to do. If you have a skid steer that has electric fuel pump, you can bleed them filters up right away. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.